What's up everybody, welcome back to Linux Crypto and welcome to a little bit of a different video, but still amazing value, because in this video we will talk about how to catch crypto pumps such as this one today with an automated, call it AI, pump alert tool. And I'll show you some examples of what it did just today, and I'll show you how to set it up, right? It's quite easy. I'll tell you all of it for free, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, quickly before we get into this, the tool is absolutely amazing, right? So you don't need to care about this, but ultimately it shows you when something is gaining a lot of momentum, so it can pump up higher, and usually it is quick enough to tell you quite early, right? So that there's actually still some potential to the upside, but ultimately it will not give you an entry, not a stop loss, not a take profit. So if you're interested in really trading cryptocurrencies, becoming profitable, consider joining the group I have, okay? There you gain access to custom indicators that can help you trade, such as the momentum initiative indicator, mean reversion indicators that called the bottom right here, very, very good, rolling VWAPs, but also divergence indicators, as you can see. But outside of those custom indicators, you also gain access to me, right? So I can help you in the process to become a profitable trader. You gain access to my Signal channel and to a premium feed in which I post daily updates. But also Bitcoin trades and XRP trades such as this one almost every day. This one, for example, actually was well, you can check this out. I mean, this was at the bottom. So if you're interested in that, links will be down in the description. But now let's get into the real part of the video. Okay, so before getting into that, I actually wanted to show you a couple of examples today. I had it running today. I have it running every single day to catch certain pumps, or at least to see what's moving, what's gaining momentum on a certain day. So far today it has done very well. This was the first one it called, right? So this was Dent, or no, this was Rave actually. So sometimes it does catch manipulated coins, but it caught it right here. So here it sent an alert. That there was momentum coming in, and that the momentum was early. After that, we rallied about 20% in the matter of 1.5 hours. But then we also had one right here for Dent. As you can see, this was not as early, although I must say that with Dent, it actually did send alerts in the last couple of days as well. Right, so it's not just, so it also sent an alert here, but I'm fairly certain it sent alerts earlier as well. But even after that, we still got a move of about 17% in a matter of 3 hours. And then another one is right here, like this one is a little bit worse because it was on pump, but even here, like usually there is some more upside when the alert is given. And it also gave an alert on Circle, the stock, as you can see, and even that went up about 4%, which for a stock is quite nice. So some of you already might know this platform, but the platform that we will use for this is Orion Terminal, right? I'll leave all the links down in the description. Generally, this is an amazing screener, right? So you can see all the coins right here. They're sorted by volume, and you can see open interest change. You can see volatility, Bitcoin correlation, everything. But what we are going to focus on is sitting, and I'm going to remove those overlays. But it's sitting all the way at the top. It's that little bell icon, okay? That is what we're going to press, because that allows us to set up a bot that scans the entire markets every time, and it scans for certain conditions. And those conditions is where the key is, okay? Those conditions are right here. And this is how you set it up. So first of all, what you do is you add a bot, right? I think we just saw that. Yeah, you click add at the top right. And then you put in these things. And it's very crucial that you do this exactly as it shows right here. So you set it to Binance, you give it some sort of a name it after me. And then you set the volatility, so VLT 1 hour, to is above 0.3. Volume 1 hour, you set to is above 6 million. And you can add these conditions. Open interest change in the last 15 minutes, you set to crosses above 2. That's 2%. And then volume change, you set above, you set to is above 1, and that can be volume change 15 minutes. Then you set it to on repeat. You set the cooldown to 5 minutes. You can also do 1 minute, to be honest. And then you save changes. And then what you will see in the other tab right here, history, is you will see these moves coming in. Now, I wanted to, so this is it, right? I'll leave all the links down in the description, both to the Signal group if you want some guidance with trading these alerts, but also links to Orion Terminal so you can set it up for yourself. We just got an alert about 13 minutes ago that I did not check out. So look, not all of these alerts are going to cause a pump, right? that's never going to happen. There's if something seems too good to be true, it usually is, and that obviously seems too good to be true. But I do want to check out, so H sent an alert, so that's a coin, of course. An alert for that was sent about 14 minutes ago. And I wanted to check that out for you, with all of you, right? So that's very recent. That's how it goes, right? So it sends those alerts as long as the browser is open. It sends those alerts, and then you look at the price, right? And then you have to analyze it yourself. You have to set up a plan, and then you'll know enough. In this case, it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. Sometimes the pump alerts are actually opposite. Okay, because what it tracks is open interest change. And if the open interest change is above 2, sometimes that also means that there are shorts coming in. So it seems with H to me that we actually had shorts coming in, or it was this fake out. So then it's the perfect example. Maybe it was, I think it was this actually. So here you can see that it doesn't always work. That's perhaps the best example. We also just got one on Rave. I'm not certain if that's going to work. I mean, ultimately, what is also true is that usually whenever you get a lot of alerts on one coin, usually like the first alert has a very high hit rate, right? So a very high chance that that's a good one, and then we actually pump up higher afterwards. But the more alerts come after that do show momentum, but then the risk versus reward does decrease. So that's it. Like I said, if you're interested in almost daily signals, daily market analyses, custom indicators that can make you profitable, check out the signal group down in the description. Otherwise, you will also find a link there to Orion Terminal, where you can set this up for free, run it to help you in your trading. So thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you on my next videos. Take care and bye.